So we're here this morning, and there's this amazing mist coming off the Thames. Never seen anything like it. It is. Have you ever seen anything like it, Ian?
No, I haven't. No, keep panning round.
So we're panning round. This is just. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That is immense. So bright.
Got the gulls in this.
And the way that there was a boat as we were coming up. There was a boat that went past, and when the waves, the wash was happening, it was like they were acting really strangely. The waves were acting like they were thick. But then it's very cold this morning, obviously. I'll go a bit wide. Can I go wide? Can't zoom in or out. Yeah, it's like something out of Clash of the Titans. There is a part in this is the old Clash of the Titans, the old Clash of the Titans that's got Ray Harryhausen's animation in it. Yeah, there is a part in that, and I can't remember what part it is, but where it's got that silence and just the waves, and it's got the mist.
Well, this is an element being very mystical and magical.
Yeah.
What would the element be?
It's water.
Yeah.
This is water. Water and fire. Water and fire together.
Yeah, because air's moving.
There's not a lot of air today, though. Well, I say not a lot of air. There's hardly a wind. In fact, I'd say there's no wind. Absolutely incredible. And we were just saying that this time of the morning, one of the reasons that we're walking this time of the morning is it's pure magic. Pure magic. Anyway, we're going to go. Hope you've enjoyed this mystical, magical magicness. Be fearless. Stay witchy.